are good.
This is like my bucket list to have her do my eyes. Like she does the best eyes of anybody I know. Like I am not even joking. She is my dream girl of eyes. I mean, like I love her.
No pressure.
No
She's the
pressure,
best.
Chantel.
Okay, flip. Look at these eyebrows. Y'all just think I know what I'm doing.
We just did some brows.
So we're at breakfast. I haven't even eaten. I've got a Diet Coke. I really need food, but the husband's over there eating his food and leaving me over here with nothing. But I'm getting brows. So this is food for life right here.
Rustic brown.
Rustic brown in my brow.
Clean, crisp brow brush.
Now look at the brush, because everybody's going to say, Lisa, what kind of brush? This is like an e.l.f. brush, $1, but it's really tight. It's tight and angled. So that's what she did to my brows. And oh my God, I've never had such good brows in my life.
3 colors.
Just called me Brooke Shields. Okay.
Mulberry. We're going to use shell pink, which of course is out of stock, but that's fine. Rustic brown.
It's not out of stock for me.
Oh, you guys have got it in the US? Oh, you're so lucky. It's out of stock here. Okay, can someone like send Jackie 5 million?
I have shell glitter in stock. We have shell glitter in stock. Hey girls, if you don't have shell glitter, just saying.
Just saying. Alright, we're doing mulberry. It's probably not the best lighting in here, but
No, it looks great over here.
it looks good. So
Yeah,
we're going to
it
do
looks really
mulberry
good.
as a base.
Mulberry.
And this is from the lash line, and we're taking it 3/4 of the way up. Now, you remember with your cream eyeshadows, you need to do a thin layer. If you do your layers thick, you're going to get creasing. We're going to just blend it.
Tell me this.
Yeah, thick layers will crease.
Y'all just think I know what I'm doing. I'm going to be a professional after this.
We don't want to take this the whole way to the brow, okay? Stay away from the brow, it's not 1985. Keep your products at least 3 to 4 millimeters below the brow.
1995.
I graduated high school in 1983. Feel like I need a breath mint. I'm in her face.
No, you're good, you're good.
Okay, so this is just mulberry.
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 Now I'm going to,
Mulberry.
we'll do both eyes, otherwise I'll kind of get myself unbalanced.
Oh, we should have done it before.
Totally should have.
Mulberry.
Mulberry.
Mulberry. It's one of my everyday colors, by the way. I wear that almost every day of my life.
And I love mulberry as a blush.
I do too.
So itching down fractionally, and just relax your eye. Now I've got this imaginary line that I want to kind of keep my eyeshadow in. So if I'm looking at the edge of the nose to the edge of Lisa's eye, that will take me up to the edge of her brow. So I actually want to keep my cream eyeshadow in that zone. If I take it down below that zone, it's going to make Lisa's eyes look really tired and it's going to give her puppy dog eyes. So try and keep your cream eyeshadows in that area to keep the eye really fresh.
Lisa, you have a great eyelid.
I know I have a great palette, girl.
You've got such good skin. Your skin, like her skin up close is just amazing.
Well, I have this really good skincare line that I use. It's called SeneGence, and I do it every day and every night. Like I am a nut.
Okay, look at me straight.
Except for last night, I had too much wine. Sorry.
She's not sorry.
I'm very honest.
Okay. So next I want to do, I kind of need some smaller brushes, but that's okay. We'll make do with what we've
Okay,
got.
see the ends of this one is small. It's like my favorite brush of all.
You like that one?
But now you probably, I should have brought, I had more, but
That's okay. All right, I'm going to use rustic brown. Now we're gonna go with a much more dramatic eye.
ooh, I like that.
People are loving this live,
They're
Lisa.
loving this live?
I know they are.
Yeah.
They my friends.
They're loving it.
Okay, so if you close down, all right, I'm staying within that imaginary zone. I'm drawing it quite significant just there. Now I'm going over
You can do it with your finger.
the crease area. Do you see that?
I am, yeah.
So I'm drawing the line in quite significant. I haven't got all of my brushes. When I've got all of my brushes, this is a little bit easier because as a makeup artist, you have your favorite brushes and you get a little bit fussy with them. So this is rustic brown. I'm putting it in place roughly where I want it, and before it dries, you've got about a minute max to play with it. So I'm just going to use a slightly softer brush just so I can blend out that line, because if that line is too harsh, it just doesn't sit right, you know. So we're just going over the top of that line. Oh my gosh, I want my other brushes.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. No, we'll work with this. We'll work with these. Okay, now look at me straight. Open up.
Open my mouth.
Okay.
I'm
I
sorry.
said to her,
She
open
said
up.
open up, and I went,
You're not at the dentist.
It was that
Lisa.
easy. Don't let us go on trips on our own. We need to be supervised all the
Girls
time.
trip.
Girls trip. Okay. So we're just doing the exact same thing. The trick with SeneGence is to provide, to create layers. As soon as you try and bang this on and do these super thick layers, no good. No good. Well, you see how that's actually
All right, guys, Tyson's hand is tired, so he asked me to take over. I'm going to get some better shots for you anyway.
Okay, so it's a little bit more precise.
Oh, you coming in? Go.
I know, but you can make it closer by doing your finger like that.
Pitch in.
Yeah, the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, Ashley
This is
knows.
going to be better.
Elizabeth Walker said she loves you guys.
Oh, we
hey,
love her
Liz.
too. I wish you were here, Elizabeth Walker.
I did Liz's makeup when we were in Costa Rica. Okay, I'm going to do this.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
No, that's the reason to start
amazing.
on the trip, right? If you come on the trip, Chantal will do your
I'll do your makeup.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh. And I'll teach you how to build your first one first.
Yeah. no,
Yes,
but
you
seriously.
Seriously, I will teach you how to build your first line first. Because that's what you should do. Focus on your first line first. Earn the lips trip, girls. There's no excuse not to be here. So if you're not here,
Come next time.
She's shaking her head at you.
work. You gotta work. You
Gotta
gotta
work.
work it. Work it. You gotta not get in management mode. Every day you wake up, you're rebuilding your team every day that you wake up. If you're not getting dressed and you're in your pajamas, you're not working.
Chantal, when are you going to be back from your trip today? Be back tonight.
Probably not till quite late. We'll probably hang out there till quite late tonight.
Okay. All right, everybody else, which time?
Oh, it's so dark in here. Okay.
7:45.
We got a bit of light.
7:45. Are we both?
How is it, Ashley?
It's
I'm ready to
incredible.
put the button if everyone's
I
ready.
expected nothing less from Chantal, though.
Ashley.
Let me go a little higher. Sorry, now I've
Which time?
leaned
7:45.
on your face, so I've
I don't care.
End up with the Joni
smudged
dinner,
your
I'll smack you in the
foundation a
face.
little bit.
I will cancel that one.
Usually I work with a sponge.
Oh my gosh. I never use a sponge. Do you
No,
wet it?
I usually have a
Everyone's
little sponge
sad
in my
that they
pinky.
missed the brow application, but we weren't even live for that.
We didn't even think to go live.
Well, she taught me how. I'm going to do it on my live. Y'all just be ready.
I was just sitting here eating my sausages, and I'm not even kidding you. She just shows up with her makeup bag and says, "Can you do my makeup?"
Yeah, and look at my hair. I want her to braid my hair too. Like she's giving me a complete makeover.
A down under makeover.
She's very glamorous and she's very exotic.
I see Chantel's nails close up.
Oh my gosh, right? I want those too, but I can't operate. I need a breath mint. I know you do. I'm telling you, I need a breath mint.
That wasn't a question.
What's order?
Anybody pregnant or over 75 years of age?
I really hope not.
I'm 74. Is that going to be okay?
What if you feel over 75 years old?
No, I need it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I gotta have it. I'm in your wife's face.
Oh no, you're fine. I'm worried if I need a
Lisa's
breath
asking
mint.
for a breath mint.
No, I don't smell a thing.
Undersize is 24, right?
Huh?
The new undersize is 24?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jodie, we're doing it at breakfast.
Is that Joni?
Yeah, Jodie.
Jody?
Yeah.
Hey Jody. Jody's one of my top leaders.
Hey,
Can you
Jody.
say hi to Jody?
Hey, Jody. I'm getting my eyes done by this amazing lady.
Jody is one of my absolute top performers,
top
my
leaders.
top leaders.
Go, girl.
Team's
She's
kicking ass.
building leaders in her team.
Well, I
She's-
can't wait to meet you in Hong Kong.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, Jodie.
I'll be there.
And
Morning.
Jody will be at the meet and greet
They're
tomorrow night.
wanting to
Oh,
know
good.
what brushes are being used.
Okay, so this one is a double-ended. I'm really fussy with my brushes, so I think as a makeup artist you get used to your own, but these are actually pretty good. So I love that on this end it's a flat shader brush, and I'm going to show you in a second how I'm going to use that. But then I love that this is a fluffy brush because it helps to move. So when you're using a cream eyeshadow, you need something really fluffy because it helps to disperse the colour so that you don't get sharp edges anywhere. Okay, let me actually just clean this one down, so I like this one too.
And we're using Cinema Secrets brush cleaner because it cleans the brush so quickly
And then you can
And the brush
reuse
is
it.
already dry again,
This is
so
seriously
like I travel with
this
it.
is an
This is
awesome
my travel
travel
makeup.
brush cleaner.
Like
guys.
I never go anywhere without that bag right there, and I never unpack it. So it's always packed and in my suitcase and ready to go to the next event. Which I know that's a messed up brush.
No, what we can do is we can crimp it. So if we crimp it,
Try that with a wrench.
yeah, and it didn't work.
I mean,
So these are like I'm seeing Wet n Wild there. Lisa, we're gonna have to
oh, I
get you
thought
some
that
new
was an
brushes.
elf brush. I have so many brushes, but you're right.
Right. I'm gonna do a little bit.
I
of
know
a
what Lisa's getting for Christmas next year
teeny
from
tiny
me.
little
Oh, I'm
bit of a
excited.
cut crease. We're gonna do a gentle cut crease, not a full-on cut crease, but a gentle one.
Gentle cut crease. right
Gentle
here,
cut
guys.
crease. Okay, so I really want to make
Chantel's cuts like a knife.
that like a knife. I want the drama just here on the lid. Okay, so I'm gonna flip my brush back this way, and I'm gently going to pat our specialty color, whatever we choose it to be. Hang on, I'm gonna use this because this is almost empty. So I'm gonna do it this way instead. Straight with the wand.
Is there a lot of people on there?
Got 114.
Hey guys. Alright, so we're just going to pop a layer down here. Now remember, we don't want it
Show
too
glitter,
thick.
guys.
If it's too thick, you'll get creasing. So just gently tap, 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 tap,
Thin
tap, tap.
layers. I don't know. Can you guys hear Chantel okay talking? I can't tell.
They'll love her accent. What if I did like this? Would
Yes.
this help? That would help me too.
Are you comfy like
Sorry
that?
for her. You want me to hold the phone?
That's
No?
actually better lighting too. Alright, now if you just keep your eyes closed and it will give it a chance to dry. See, we've just had it go open. So because the product wasn't dry, do you see there's a little bit of imprintation just up here? That's fine, we can fix it. But just try and keep your eyes, when you're doing your own, facing downwards. But look how pretty that shell glitter looks. Alright, so we're going to do the
Ooh,
same on
I
the
love
side.
it. Carrie, I'm gonna be a beauty queen after this.
Oh, she is. She's a Bayou beauty queen.
Oh,
What do you say?
Nothing.
He's just going to be a husband. Okay, so I'm just very gently, like this is a really, really, really thin coat, because don't forget, we can put 2 coats on. It's more important to do 2 coats than it is to try and just do 1 super thick coat, because 1 super thick coat will crease.
Okay.
And you won't get that longevity. There is no reason why a smoky heavy eye like this can't last 12 hours plus.
12 hours plus.
As long as you are allowing each layer to dry. And if you have super oily lids, don't put foundation on. Don't put cream, an eye cream on top of the lid. Or if you do need to put your excess skincare on, which you know we all do, try not to do your makeup for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Your skin needs to soak in your skincare system before you try and put your makeup on. So if you're having issues with your foundation moving, if you're having issues with your cream eyeshadows creasing and moving, it may be that you're doing your makeup too soon after your skincare.
And so if a person has oily lids, they should make sure they're putting their shadows on very thin
Very thin.
and then letting it dry. And have you ever told them to set it with our powder a little bit?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And also, if you've got super oily lids, maybe start with a matte color first. So,
Exactly.
Let's not put foundation on. Let's try to make sure our skincare is set in. Maybe put candlelight or snow or mulberry, something down as a base.
Yep.
It's matte. There's no shimmer. And then leave that to dry, and then build your eye look on top of that. And as long as you've got a few layers going down that are nice and thin and allowing to dry, you will get like ridiculously long wearing color. I promise you. Now we don't have a liquid eyeliner, do we?
No.
No, that's fine. I'm going to use
I have the
Onyx.
pencil and I have Onyx. And I have that little bitty brush, the one with the angle. You have it in your hand,
Yep.
yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to use an angled
I know
eyeliner
Ashley's getting tired of
brush.
holding that phone.
You're right,
You can cut it off and then I'll just take an after picture, girl. Sorry.
All right.
Like we've
Lisa-
already been live a long time, right?
Yep. Lisa says goodbye to everybody, and she will post an after picture.
With the
Chantel's-
hair braided and everything.
Yep.
Let me just do one. Okay, if we're going to do anything, we're just
Okay,
going to
okay.
quickly do a liquid eyeliner.
We're making liquid eyeliner out of Onyx eyeshadow, right?
Onyx cream eyeshadow.
Okay, because I love it. I do love Onyx.
An eyeliner brush, and we can create. Alright, we're just going to pull the lid fractionally. A beautiful liquid eyeliner. You see that? Onyx is one of the most versatile products. So keep that closed, Lisa. Because what we can do is we can create a really, really crisp eyeliner. Now, Lisa, can I just gently get you to open your eye just so we can see? And do you see how crisp that line is?
It's amazing.
Okay, cut it shut down and I'll finish the rest. Or you can use it as a pencil eyeliner underneath and you can smudge it out.
Okay, so what she's saying is y'all can either use Onyx for this, your cream to powder shadow, or you can get the liquid liner Sense and do this.
Yep.
And she prefers the liquid liner. I just don't have it with me.
I do, but this is so versatile we can get away with it anyway. Now, let me just go over it a second time just to get a bit of depth of colour.
The cool thing is you can use everything we have for anything you want. That's the cool thing.
And you can mix and match and have a ton of fun.
Got amazing eyeliner, Chantel.
How good does that look?
You're
Okay.
incredible, girl. Mad respect. I love you.
Okay, let's just open up just a little bit. Now look at that. If you look in the camera, you can see. Look down just a fraction.
Down. Oh my gosh, look at that color.
I can't wait to see it myself.
Okay, great, thank you.
You see that?
Hot girl.
Yeah. Okay, you can go now.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.